there was this cool opportunity that we had with our client, the Florida Keys. And they had this notion that they wanted to do a 1-hour special, but they didn't want you anymore. They wanted somebody else.
Yeah, that took some alcohol to get over. Yeah. That was a tough pill to swallow.
They want someone with breasts.
Apparently. Yeah, exactly.
And you weren't making the cut.
I was not making the cut.
So, Chad, you came to me and you were like, we have a 1-hour special that we want to produce with the Keys, the Florida Keys.
Yeah.
But we need to find a new host. And Katie, you need to cast somebody.
Find a female me.
And
better, faster.
And of course, I went to my favorite casting tool, Instagram. Because what else do you look for or go to use where there's a bunch of people and you can see who they are and what they look like and their ability to like do something on
What were your
camera.
like your hashtags of like what to look up?
God, I don't even remember. This was back in like 2020, 2021, I think. I don't even know. And I was just kind of scrolling through Instagram and I kind of just happened along your page. And I was like, who is this person? And I think around then you had about 5,000 followers or something like that. And I was like, who is this woman? And I could tell that you obviously were a biologist and there was some cleverness there. Your posts were thoughtful, funny as all hell. And I showed you to Chad and I was like, I don't know if this person can be a host on a television show, but there's like something there.
Well, I really was thinking this is too good to be true because I think up until then you had pitched me a lot of people and they just weren't a right fit. It was, out of work newscasters and it was people who had some TV experience but didn't have the chops, didn't have the credibility that you had. And I think you had a lot of credibility, but you didn't have any TV experience.
Right.
So that was like something that we had to like kind of take a little bit of a calculated risk on. She has the look, she has the credibility. Can she make television? That's the question.
Yeah, well, that was scary as hell for me. And you guys were like, all right, I'm great in person and on the phone, but it was like, okay, the moment you put a camera in front of me, I'm like, and you were like, all right, give us a small video, kind of showcase who you are. Yeah. And I think I must have done like 40 takes. Yeah. And my husband was like, I don't think this is going to work out. I'm like, no, one more. And then I was like, get out of here. I'm just going to do it myself now. And I like put, tripod up and finally did it.
Well, it was so clear when me and Katie were watching the videos that like, this was new to you, but you had heart and you had passion. Yeah. And I was like, look, we can do a lot with that. I mean, like we can teach her where to stand. We can teach her where to look. We can teach her the fundamentals of being a host and carrying a scene. But you can't teach heart. You can't teach passion. I knew this was something that was inside of you. And, I think me and Katie feel very fortunate that we got a chance to kind of unlock that or at least play a role in getting you moving in this direction. I was always thinking like, you must have just been freaking out. Like you just booked a 1-hour special. It's going to be on Discovery Channel and you have no TV experience.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ta-da.
Yeah. And people are like, how did you get into that? And I'm like, they found me.